Yes.
whenever
I know.
from Naveen, I'm like,
ये ऐसी स्माइल यूं करके देखती है ना मुझे कि you know कहते हैं the puppy dog eyes. She has a smile working for her.
Yes,
And I'm
still
like, dude, don't do that.
yeah, वो उधर हम लोग थे ना दुबई मॉल में, वो was that मुझे मैं कहा मैं नहीं जाऊंगी लाइन में खड़ी ना but I would never forget that time, and I'm really wishing कि वो lockdown खुले और हम लोग मिले. I really need that. Naveen, you're one hell of a therapeutic person. I need you.
Dude, I'm only a call away. You know that. But hopefully, inshallah, चीजें बेहतर हो जाएंगी. But I've heard that the lockdown has been extended because cases बढ़ रहे हैं. You know, it's for our own good, I guess. By the end of the day, हमारे लिए कहते हैं कि घरों में रहें, you know. But inshallah, hopefully.
मैंने तो सुना लॉकडाउन खुल गया. My dad just called me today and he said कि लॉकडाउन खुल गया.
नहीं, they've extended it to the 20th and कुछ जगहें वो अब डिसाइड करेंगे कि खुलेंगी या नहीं खुलेंगी. So I don't really know, you know, कोई इतनी क्लैरिटी नहीं दी है हमें इस बात पे, but let's see.
अल्लाह खैर करे यार. पता नहीं, I read this article कि UAE में जो है वो लोग blood plasma exchange कर रहे हैं, something like that.
I have no idea. दिन में एक मर्तबा न्यूज सुनती हूँ मैं, एक सुबह के टाइम सुनती हूँ when I wake up, so I know कि क्या हो रहा है, and then once I hear it before going to bed and I know कि अच्छा सब खैरियत है. No, that's pretty much it.
Anything you would suggest me to do nowadays, please?
Sorry, what?
Anything you would suggest me to do nowadays?
Read. किताबें पढ़ो, TV देखो, just I don't know, man. I'm running out of things to do. Honestly, you know, because
walk around.
Yeah, I have to. I'm not going to the gym, you know. I have to do something or the other. तो मैं अपनी गली में ही walk करती हूँ after wearing my mask and my gloves. तो I walked 8 kilometers today. So I was like, so शुक्र है.
Darling, you know what? I can completely see that you are so tired. You're so tired right now.
Yeah. No, because होता है ना, कुछ दिन आप कुछ भी नहीं करते और कुछ दिन आप इतना इकट्ठा एक सारी चीजें कर लेते हैं कि you're just like, you know, exhausted. But but I mean ये सबके साथ ही हो रहा है आजकल, I think.
अच्छा, Naveen, which one your favorite English movie?
My favorite English movie? Yeah, बहुत सारी हैं, but it has to be a Keanu Reeves movie. Like, I absolutely love Keanu Reeves. So it either has to be Constantine or John Wick. Either one of the two. Constantine, I think. वो मैंने कोई 100 मर्तबा देख ली है, but I love that movie.
मैंने देखी, मुझे दोनों में से अच्छा जी. आपके लिए एक और आया था कि किसी ने आप कहा था कि मुझे आप I always see your Insta. Okay, नहीं ये नहीं था, ये आपका I watch Humsafar drama just for you, Naveen. Even your role is more powerful than Mahira Khan. Aadi Khan 23 ने आपके लिए बोला.
That's very kind
nobody
of you.
DJ Aya, Naveen sing a song. That cannot happen. She won't sing a song.
No.
I'm not gonna
sing a song.
I know you won't. As a darling.
No, and I read a message abhi that said, Naveen, आपकी आवाज मर्दों वाली हो रही है भाई. Time देख ले. पूरा दिन बोल के तो ऐसी आवाज होनी है. अभी इससे पहले कि मैं बिल्कुल यूं हो जाऊं. My voice also.
That's a way of telling me you're late.
No, but that's, I mean, you know, it's all good. But इतने cute messages आ रहे हैं. बहुत cute messages आ रहे हैं.
Really?